Welcome to my channel, and I will teach you how to solve this kind of problems. First, we do this. 7 minus 4 gives us 3, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. And there is multiplication here. 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. But this is not correct answer, because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses. After that, if there is exponent, and then we do this, and multiplication or division. Finally, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same applies for addition and subtraction. Here, according to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses, and here 7 minus 4 gives us 3, and we have to copy that part, 7 minus 4, and multiply it. According to this rule, first we have to do multiplication. 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12, and 7 minus 12 equals negative 5, and this is our correct and final answer. Here we can write this answer, negative 5. Thank you.